Good morning, everyone. Please rise for the national anthem. Very good morning to all present. Respected Principal Ma'am, distinguished guests Mrs. Chaya Bavrekar Ma'am and Mrs. Vandana Bavrekar Ma'am, dear parents, teachers and students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to Euphoria 2025, our annual celebration. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate the birth of a team envisioned by our respected chairperson, Dr. Pradeep Bavrekar, and breathed into life by our esteemed principal, Mrs. Leena Bhosle. As we celebrate the spirit and soul of the school today, we also celebrate the creativity, culture, talent, and the boundless spirit of our students. This year's theme, Rango Ki Udan, beautifully symbolizes our journey till date. A journey that speaks of hope, courage, and the freedom to dream. Every child begins life like a blank canvas, pure, innocent, and full of possibilities. And then, slowly, gradually, we as parents, teachers, and loved ones add colors to their life. Colors of love, knowledge, faith in oneself, compassion, and creativity. Rango Ki Udan is the story of these colors. Each color represents a unique emotion, and together they reflect the essence of our institution, where every child is encouraged to explore their individuality while learning the value of harmony and teamwork. These performances are not just steps and songs. They are emotions expressed, fears conquered, and voices heard. This morning, you will witness the power of performance in education. As we move ahead, I would like to express how deeply honored we are by the presence of our esteemed guests today. May I now request our respected Principal Ma'am and our distinguished guests to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp, marking the auspicious beginning of today's program. Ma'am, please come.
या कुन्तेन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्म
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, Chaya Ma'am, and Vandana Ma'am. I would request Principal Ma'am to present a small token of our gratitude to felicitate our honored guests for their esteemed presence with us. Principal Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request Tanishka to usher our respected guest to this seat. A guiding light for our institution and a constant source for inspiration for students and teachers alike. I humbly request our respected principal, ma'am, to please come forward and address the gathering.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to all respected guests, parents, teachers, and my dear students. It gives me immense joy and pride to stand before you today as we celebrate the annual day of our school. Although our institution is a 2-year-old institution, the journey we have taken together has already laid a strong foundation for many years to come. When we opened our doors last year for the primary wing, we had a vision to create a school where every child feels safe, motivated, and inspired to learn. Today, as I look at the smiling faces of our students, the dedication of our teachers, and the trust of our parents, I feel confident that we are all well on our way to turning the vision into reality. This past year, in our new building, it has been a first year. Our first assembly, our first classroom activities, our first school events, and now the first annual day. Each moment has been a reminder of how quickly we are growing and how beautifully our students are blossoming. I want to take this moment to appreciate our teachers who have worked tirelessly to shape young minds with patience, creativity, and passion. Your efforts have transformed plain classrooms into places of curiosity and learning. Thank you, teachers. To our dear parents, thank you for believing in a new school, for placing your trust in us, and for supporting us every step of the way. Your encouragement motivates us to strive higher and do better each day. Thank you, parents. To our dear students, you are the heart of this school. Your enthusiasm, energy, and eagerness to learn gives us purpose. Every achievement of yours, big or small, makes us proud. Thank you, students. As we complete this year, we look forward to the future. We dream of creating a school where learning is enriched with technology and creativity, where classrooms encourage thinking rather than memorizing, where sports, art, music, and values are given equal importance. In the coming years, we plan to introduce more innovative learning methods that spark imagination and critical thinking, build stronger activity and sport programs so children grow fit, confident, and disciplined, create spaces for art, reading, and exploration so students discover their passions early. Strengthen our teacher development programs because the future of our students lie in the hands of the teachers who are constantly growing. Most importantly, we aim to nurture an environment where every child feels loved, respected, and empowered to dream without fear. As we celebrate today, let us remember that this is only the beginning of our dreams. Our dreams are much bigger and our journey has only just begun. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful program today. Together, let us build a future that shines brighter than anything we can imagine. Thank you, and I wish you all a wonderful day ahead. Now, let us see a glimpse through the year and the activities what the children have done in the school.
ma'am, for your kind words, and this was indeed a beautiful journey down the memory lane. The stage is set and the lights are bright. To take this day forward and guide us through the program, I now invite our student anchors to take charge of the stage. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the program.
Respected teachers, dear parents, and all of our wonderful students, with great joy, we welcome you to MIS School's Annual Day celebration, Euphoria 2025, Rango Ki Udaan.
Today's stage is a journey where every color becomes a story and every story becomes an experience.
Every performance will be an exhilarating experience for each of us sitting here.
So sit back, relax, and let the colors of imagination, joy, and creativity paint your hearts with happiness.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirviknam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
With this divine chant, let us begin this day with Ganesh Vandana presented by the students of grade 1 to 3.
Please put your hands together to welcome them on stage.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
पूज्यं गणाध्यक्षं उमापुत्रं विनायकं मङ्गलं परमं रूपं श्रीगणेशं
That was truly divine performance. achievements. And now, let's welcome you all with a melodies that's from the heart. Presenting our junior KG choir with a smile on her face. A big round of applause from them, please. ब्लू टी शर्ट कहाँ
different cultures, religions coexist happily and to bring that spirit alive on the stage. Let's welcome our senior KG students to present the skit, The Wise Parrot and the Colorful Forest. Let's welcome them with a loud applause.
Once upon a time, there was a forest full of beautiful colors. Red flower, yellow sunflower, green trees, blue rivers, and happy animals. They lived like a big family. and beauty to this forest. I am yellow sunflower. I bring light, joy and happiness. I am green tree. I give flesh, air and food and shade to everyone. I am the blue river. I give water so life can grow. Hello, I am wise parrot and I spread wisdom and peace. We all make this forest beautiful together. I am most special. Everyone loves me. No, I bring sunshine. I am the best. Without the leaves, no one can live. Without water, nothing can survive. So I am the most important. Stop, my friends. Each one of you is special. A forest needs all its colors. What a rich forest. I will cut everything down and take it all. I can't bleed. I am rise up. My color is fading. See what happens when you don't stay united. The forest is weak when you fight. Let's join our terrace and save our home together. Yes, I am butterfly. Red brings love, yellow brings joy, green brings life, blue brings calm. Together we are strong. We are colors of the forest and we will protect our home. Now you understand, no color alone is greater than others. Only together can we make this forest strong and beautiful. Yes, we are the color of the forest. And from that day, the forest was filled with love, unity and joy for everyone. Yet the sun remembered the nature is strong when it's together. Moyan is that every turn and every life is important. When we work together, we make the world stronger, brighter and more beautiful.
seven colors, but the beautiful meaning they carry, reminding us of life's harmony, hope, and possibilities. Just like the rainbow appears after the storm, every color brings its own message for the journey ahead. So let's walk together through this magical spectrum of the seven colors of the rainbow.
Violet, the first color of the rainbow, stands for imagination, spirituality, and deep wisdom. It reminds us that life becomes truly beautiful when we look beyond the ordinary and trust the quiet strength that comes from within. And when a life is lived with such awareness, it becomes a journey, a story, a song.
A song that says, life that is uniquely ours, to shape with vision, courage, and meaning. Please put your hands together to welcome on stage Grade 1B students.
चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो
applaud these amazing performers. And now, indigo, the deep and mysterious color of the rainbow. This color symbolizes intuition, clarity, and inner awareness. This color reminds us to pause, breath, and truly feel life.
And that is exactly what the song Love You Tumki celebrates. A heart that understands itself, a mind that sees clearly, and a spirit that chooses joy no matter what. Dear parents, let's cheer for the little louder for the youngest of the lot, Nursery Lily.
Go and sit.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल में कि भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे पासा तेरी ऐसी की होता है जिंदगी मैं का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे पासा चिरकुट जिंदगी you know सिक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का। मैं अलादीन, तू मेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का। तू अलादीन, मैं तेरा जिन, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। मार चलांगे झूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नहीं जमा नहीं जमा नहीं गद पे दिला सकी, नहीं जमा नहीं जमा नहीं गद पे दिला सकी। ओ होई 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 मनवा करा तब जोई होई, नहीं जमा नहीं गद पे दिला सकी। दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही है। हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। करने दे ख्वाबों को बदमाशियां, चलने दे नजरों की मनमानियां। ढूंढे चलो कुछ ठिकाने नए, होने दे पगली पगली सी नादानियां। होश में रहना है क्यों, रहने से होगा क्या, बेहोशियों में है मजा। बचकानी हरकतें जो होती है होने दे, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है।
Please welcome on stage with a loud cheer, Junior KG students. जोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आए तुम? जोड़े जैसी
हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम। अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन लाता है घूमर घूमर घूम घूम। कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घूमर घूमर घूम घूम। छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम।
बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो। बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो। मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है। मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है। जल 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 बरका जल। नन्ना रे 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 बरसो रे। जुल्फों से बांध लिए बादल, सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल, मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल। सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम। मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम।
छम 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 छम।
सब नाचे आज छम 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 छम।
Audience, let's make some noise for our talented stars.
Harmony is music and music is universal. Please welcome on stage our choir team from grade 1 to 3, presenting in front of you all the classic song Do Re Mi, celebrating the joy of taking small steps towards building something beautiful, and the soulful 500 miles that resonates deeply with determination to keep moving no matter how far the path stretches.
potato. A deer, a female deer, bring a drop of golden sand. Me, a name I call myself, far along the way to run. So I did a golden thread,
outstanding performance. Please put your hands together for them.
A happiest color of the rainbow, yellow, symbolizes joy, hope and positivity. Yellow makes us smile and fill our hearts with optimism.
And nothing captures the spirit more beautifully than the song Ashine Ude Dil Ke, a song that teaches us to rise above our doubts, to hold on to hope, and to let our hearts soar freely. We welcome on stage students from grade 3 to sprinkle us with a dose of positivity that we can carry in our hearts.
Let's give them a big hand.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे उनकी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे उनकी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
हर छोटी कोशिश एक बड़ी जीत की शुरुआत होती है। बस यकीन रखो, आस रखो, क्योंकि यही आशाएं तो हमें उड़ना सिखाती है।
उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे उनकी, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
और ऐसी ही उम्मीद लेकर टीम इंडिया की लड़कियों ने भी T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीतकर पूरी दुनिया को दिखा दिया कि सपने सिर्फ देखे नहीं जाते, पूरे भी किए जाते हैं।
आगे आगे सबसे आगे अपना सीना तान के, आगे मैदान में हम साफा बांध के, आगे आगे सबसे आगे अपना सीना तान के, आगे मैदान में हम झंडे गाड़ने हो, आ गए हैं जो छा गए हैं जो जन्म ये ज़माना देखेगा, देखो जुनून क्या होता है, जिद क्या होती है, हमसे ज़माना सीखेगा। जीतेगा जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा, है दुआ हर दिल की, है यकीन आँखों का, जीतेगा जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा, वादा
That was spectacular. Let the claps roar.
Orange symbolizes energy, determination, creativity, and the unstoppable spirit of hope. It reminds us to rise every time we fall, or to live life with passion or purpose.
To celebrate this color of courage, resilience, and the strength to life, let me call our energetic grade 2 to present the song Zinda Hai To that beautifully captures its essence. Let's welcome them with a round of applause.
audience. Let's show them some love. Clap, cheer, and make some noise.
And now we come to the final and most powerful color of the rainbow, red. Red stands for passion, strength, sacrifice, and unwavering determination.
It is the color of courage, the courage to dream, to persevere, and to honor one's commitment even in the face of great challenges.
Let's warmly welcome our energetic grade 1A to the stage.
Take me to the right, I will pass the wind between my fingers.
parents, let's give them a rocking round of applause. And perhaps no story captured these qualities better than a legendary tale of Dronacharya and Eklavya. Eklavya's dedication, his fierce passion for learning, and his willingness to sacrifice for his guru reflect the deepest shades of commitment, devotion, and extraordinary strength of the character. Today's musical skit brings the timeless story to life, reminding us that true greatness is not just skill, but in courage of the heart. Presenting Dronacharya and Eklavya by the mighty students of grades 4th, 5th, and 6th.
धनुर्विद्या के महाज्ञानी सर्वश्रेष्ठ गुरु जिन्होंने राजपुत्रों को अस्त्र शस्त्र की शिक्षा दी, वो थे महर्षि द्रोणाचार्य। निषाद राज का पुत्र था, सीखने को आतुर था, ये योद्धा सज्जन था, सभ्य था, नाम इसका एकलव्य था। एकलव्य की बस एक ही इच्छा थी कि वो महागुरु द्रोणाचार्य के शिष्य बने।
पे दस्तखत कर दे, तू अब तक था अधूरा, होने ही वाला है पूरा।
काश मेरी ये इच्छा सफल हो।
हद से गुजर जा, तू हद कर दे, है चाह तो है रास्ता, ये ठान ले जरा।
प्रणाम गुरुवर, मैं आपका परम भक्त। मैं इच्छा रखता हूं कि मैं आपसे धनुर्विद्या सीखूं।
बालक, ये संभव नहीं। यह विद्या हम सिर्फ राजपुत्रों को सिखाते हैं, तुम्हारी यहाँ कोई जगह नहीं।
लेकिन गुरुवर,
क्या कभी अंबर से सूर्य बिछड़ता है, क्या कभी बिन बाती दीपक जलता है। कैसी है ये अनहोनी हर आंख हुई हम, छोड़ गया जो तू कैसे जिएंगे हम। तू ही किनारा, तू ही सहारा, तू जग सारा, तू ही हमारा सूरज, तू ही तारा। जय जयकारा, जय जयकारा, स्वामी देना साथ हमारा।
अद्भुत! कौन है तुम्हारे गुरु जिसने तुम्हें ये महान विद्या सिखाई?
मैं एकलव्य हूं। आप ही को गुरु मान के मैंने ये विद्या ग्रहण की है। ये देखिए, आपकी ये मूर्त ही मेरी विद्या का प्रेरणा स्थान है।
तुम्हारे कौशल्य से मैं बहुत प्रभावित हुआ। ये समझो तुम्हारी शिक्षा पूर्ण हुई। मैं तुमसे गुरु दक्षिणा मांगता हूं। दक्षिणा में मुझे तुम्हारे दाहिने हाथ का अंगूठा चाहिए। तुम्हारा ये बलिदान इतिहास कभी नहीं भुला पाएगा। जब जब बात होगी महान शिष्य की, हर बार तुम्हारा नाम लिया जाएगा।
That performance touched our hearts. Let's give them all our love through our applause. Dear parents, our next performance is an awakening, a call to rise, step into our strength with courage and conviction. Please put your hands together to welcome our choir group from grade 4 to 6 as the music thunders with energy and word each with determination. Presenting Aramb Hai Prachand.
Once again, a round of applause for them.
As the coming of all these 7 colors make a rainbow, it's time to call upon all the performers for one last time on the stage to create an equally amazing spectacle. If not more, a spectacle of hard work, joy, dedication, and most importantly, teamwork.
Calling all the stars of tonight on stage. One last time for the evening. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक्र में अंधेरा चांद जला दे बना दे फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम जाता आसमान से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
As we move towards the conclusion of this wonderful evening,
It's time to express our gratitude towards everyone who made this wonderful event a grand success.
to deliver the vote of thanks, we would now like to invite Ishita ma'am on stage. Please welcome her with a warm round of applause.
What a spectacular show it has been. I hope you all agree with me. Can we please have a big round of applause for everyone? Thank you so much. A beautiful blend of dance, music, drama, art, all woven together in every performance. I think I speak for all of us present here that the students did set the stage on a blaze. As this colorful and memorable day draws to a close, it is my proud privilege to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every person present here. We sincerely thank our distinguished guests for making this occasion even more special with your esteemed presence. Thank you so much, ma'am. Our deepest appreciation goes to our respected principal, ma'am, whose visionary leadership, constant guidance, and unwavering faith continue to give wings to the dreams and talents of our students. I extend my sincere thanks to our teachers, the pillar of our institution, who worked tirelessly behind the scenes and shaped this morning into a grand success. A heartfelt thank to all the parents present here for your trust, encouragement, and unwavering support today and throughout. Your belief in us strengthens our resolve and inspires our children to soar higher. We are grateful for our admin team, counselor ma'am, digital team, technical team, and team symbiosis. They all worked hard to ensure smooth conduct of the program. Our dear students, the shining stars of the day. Their dedication, confidence, and creativity brought life to the stage today and made us all very, very proud. Please give them a huge round of applause. I have saved the best for the last, our music department. May I please call them on stage, Mr. Mahesh from Torrance, and a big, big thank you and a huge round of applause for our dance teacher, Mr. Swapnil. Thank you so much. Their patience, passion, and hard work transformed every step into a story and every moment into magic. This day would not have been possible without their invaluable contribution. Thank you so much. I would also like to express our sincere apologies for not being able to accommodate all the grandparents and extended family members. Trust me, if only we had space as big as the place you all hold in our hearts. But next time, we will come back with a bigger space to accommodate all the love. Thank you for being so cooperative with us. With hearts full of love and pride for our young ones, I conclude today's program. Thank you so much for your presence and have a wonderful day ahead. Can you all please rise for the national song Vande Mataram? Thank you so much. I would require a little more cooperation and patience from all the parents as we hand off the students to you. Pre-primary will be handed over here on stage. So pre-primary parents, please be seated. I'll call out the classes and one by one the classes will come and you can take your ward. For the primary, the dispersal will take place from outside and the teachers are already present there. Kindly cooperate because the safety of the students is our utmost priority. So it may take a while, but your children will be handed over to you. Thank you so much.